Want this yummy pancit? You came to the right video. All the ingredients: onion and garlic, celery, black pepper, soy sauce, cooking oil, chicken and fishball, cabbage, green beans, carrots, mushrooms, Canton noodles, bihon noodles, all the ingredients. First, put cooking oil in pan. Then add garlic. Now onions. Then put the chicken. Mix together. Put soy sauce. Mix again. Add black pepper. Add celery. Mix. Put green beans. Then mix. Add mushrooms. You know it, mix again. Put carrots. Mix. Wait until all of your ingredients are slightly cooked. Afterwards, add fishball. Mix. Add the cabbage. After mixing them all up, remove some of the vegetables so you can make room for the noodles. Add Canton noodles. Mix until the noodles soften. Then add bihon noodles. Mix the noodles together until the bihon softens. Mix together. After mixing, add the other vegetables and mix again. Ready to serve. So yummy, enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching.